Okay, so I got this package in the mail. All it says is your present. What could it be? It's got to be a drone, right? There's no nothing else on here. I look on the back. It says bind and fly, fly sky. It is a drone. What is it? It's this, the Skystars X95. It's a fun little brushless motor micro. Came with 2 batteries, so that's super cool. It is fly sky, so I have to put it on my jumper, which is all right. Love the jumper anyway. Came with some Gem Fam props, so that was a bonus. It's an F4 flight controller. The VTX is switchable up to 150 milliwatts, and it does have a beeper. Let's fly this little guy. So let's take a look at this thing. We'll get it in the air. Like I said, I'm flying it on my jumper, which wasn't too difficult. Of course, I do know what I'm doing because I've done it a few times. I did have to reverse a couple of the channels. Yaw and roll were backwards. That was kind of a pain. The process really should be easier by now, but you know, it is what it is. So if you're buying this thing, make sure you know how to bind. This is a Fly Sky version. They make a Free Sky as well. You're going to have the same process. I'm pretty sure about that. Anyway, this is a fun little drone. It is basically a mini racer. Super quick, super nimble, super fun to fly. This is what I've been looking for a while. The Baby Hawk was close. The Baby Hawk R was close too, a little bit bigger, but this thing is small and powerful and fun. You can do flips, you can do rolls, you can do some acro. In fact, this is going to be my new trainer. I'm not the best at flying acro. So I got my DJI race goggles. I got my jumper. I got my X95 micro. Let's go edge in the air and show you some FPV video. We're going to take it a little easy at first, and then we're going to kick it into high gear. It does not have an LCD screen, so you have to know the green and red light patterns to know exactly what channel you're on. I did an auto search. That might be the, ouch, that might be some of the problem with the video feed. Now we're taking it up a notch here. You can see this thing is moving. It is a fast little quad. So if that's what you want, that's what you're gonna get with this. I really like it, highly recommend for beginners. I'm using this thing to practice on my own. Hey, check us out on Half Chrome for more info on this and others. I'd love for you to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.